So WordPress, as we are going to design and develop our website in WordPress platform. So what is WordPress, right? So WordPress here, it's a content management system. It's a CMS. So here you can say WordPress is an open source content management system. It's a CMS, which allows the user to build dynamic websites and blog, right? So here you can create many types of website, whether it is a blogging website or a business website or it's a portfolio website, or in fact e-commerce website as well, right? So if you are a startup, if you want to start a business and you can showcase the product with this with your website. So simply WordPress is the simpler and it's a very easy to use, right? So WordPress is the most popular blogging system on the web and allows updating, customizing, and managing the website from its backend CMS and components. So most of the bloggers and most of the companies, they follow this and they prefer this WordPress sites because they can customize it easily, right? So many types of plugins are available over there, free, and some are the paid one. So they keep using according to their requirement. Simply you can also do with that. So once you have installed your WordPress, right? So you'll be getting I mean the backend login panel like this one. Here, after typing your username and password, you can access the dashboard. So that will be doing it practically also. So after login your password, right? So here you can see this is the backend part, right? So from here you can access the other option as well, and you can customize your website. So in WordPress login, logging is a simple process. Enter your username or email address in the top field, enter your password in the bottom field, and click the blue login button. That's all. So you will be entered at the backend part.